Okay. Now, have you learned about the force polygon? First of all,
I read about it.
First of all, turn on your camera. All students, turn on your camera. Turn on your camera.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I'm having problems right now. Can I turn it after some time?
Sir, let me just reconnect with my camera on.
Please turn on your camera. Okay. Turn on your camera, please. All students, please. Okay. In the last lecture, in the last practical, I have give you some basics of the engine mechanics, and now we have to perform a experiment. The experiment name is forced polygon law. You have to perform the now I have to share the PPT of this experiment. Is it visible to you? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
The subtopics is first we have to define the objective, discussion about the apparatus, theory and procedure, observation, results and discussion. And the learning objective is to verify the law of force of polygon. Okay, and the learning objective are justify the polygon law of force and sketch the force polygon of current forces system. Okay, this is the learning objective, and this is the objective, and this is the theory. Okay, now the objective is write down. It is you have to write down. The objective is, I'm not sharing it to you, to verify the law of force polygon with the help of
Sir, we have to write it.
To verify the law of force polygon with the help of universal force table. To verify the law of force polygon with the help of the universal force table. So the apparatus is, it is a circular aluminum tables which is known as which is called as force table, and on this table we have to hang the some weights, as you can see in the figures. As you can see in the figures, and in this table, we provide a circular ring. In this table, just a minute. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's a circular ring is provided in the center of this table with a needle, and the weight is hanging with the help of the pulleys. Okay. Now we have to apply the weight on the this center table. The theory is the law of force polygon. It says that, write down also, it says that if more than two coplanar and concurrent forces are acting, if more than two coplanar and concurrent forces are acting on a body and if they can be represented by consecutive sides of a polygon, taken in order, then their resultant will be represented by closing side of the polygon taken in opposite order. So this is the theory. And how to perform this experiment? It is the procedure. Step 1 and step 2 and S3 are just normal steps, but step 3 we have to fix the one weight hanger at 0 degree position. There, this table have some marking of the degrees on the universal table. This table has some marking. This table has some marking. Okay, so we have to fix one weight of hanger at 0 degree position. Okay, and we have to place small weights to the different hangers slowly. Apply weight in all 5 hangers. This table have 5 hangers in such a way that the central ring comes at the center of the table. Note down the applied mass. note down the applied mass and with its angular position of all location in table.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, do we directly note this all in the practical file or in a rough somewhere now?
Yeah, I will give you the material and the class notes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is the rough work for you. Okay. Now draw the force polygon, and you know that force polygon, how to draw the force polygon. One side represents
No, sir.
one side represents the force. One side of the polygon represent a force, and another side is represent another force, and similarly the closing side represents the resultant of the all these forces. Now we have to note down the magnitude and angular information of the fifth force. This will give you the value of unknown force graphically. You have to draw a graph. Remember this thing? You have to draw a graph with a proper scales. That means if it is 100 grams, 100 gram, so in the graphs it represented the 1 centimeter. You know that the force is measured in the Newton. Just a minute, beta. हेलो, ठीक है, मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Just a minute, बेटा. अरे कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा. मैं बस सिर्फ मैं ही हूं. कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा. ऑल स्टूडेंट प्लीज कैमरा ऑन करो. Okay. Now you have to draw the force in graphs with the proper scales. Okay. You know that force is the unit of the force is Newton or mass into which is mass into G. So we have to draw this graphically, and 100 grams means 1 centimeter. You can use any other scale system also. Okay, and you have to find out these force is in equilibrium. Equilibrium means it means the resultant force is zero. And compare the forces with the experiment. experimentally and with the help of graph. Okay. Repeat the experiment 3 times. Repeat the experiment 3 times. Just a minute. Repeat the experiment 3 times by changing weight and angular posture. Okay, this is the procedure, and I will show you the video of this experiment also. Okay.
Sir?
How to perform this experiment? Yeah.
Sir, please tell how to draw the force polygon.
In the next section, we will. This is the observation of the experiment. If these are the forces on this center table, these are the forces on this center table, F1 and F2, each is we fix the value of F1 at 0 degree, and F2 at angle of theta 1, 2. Similarly, F3 is theta 2, 3, and F4 is theta 3, 4, and F5 is theta 4, 5, and the angle between theta F1 and F2 is theta 5, 1. Okay. Now you have to take one forces. Let's say F1. We have to draw. Let's say it's a 300 grams. 300 grams in the F1 force. Okay. So on the graphs, the angle is same. It will be horizontally. And the magnitude represents by, it is 300 grams means 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, from F1, this F2 is acting here, F2. Okay. And the angle is theta 1, 2. Okay. Observation table is also, I will give you. Okay. Are you listening me? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the results, draw the force polygon, determine the value of the fifth force from the force polygon by measuring the length of the fifth side, compare the value of F5. There are 5 forces on the tables, and compare them. The experimental value of F5 we have to write here, and graphical value measured by is given here, and we have to calculate the percentage error also. We have to calculate the percentage error also. So these are the precautions. The pulleys should be frictionless and sealed properly. Direction of the string should be marked carefully. There should not be any knot in the string. Weight should be applied slowly. The graduate disc should be made horizontally by adjusting the screw at its base. So these are the information about this experiment, and I will show you the video. Okay, maybe you can ask me some question. You can
Sir?
ask me some question after this. Again, all students have turned off your camera.
Sir? Sir?
How about
I have a doubt. There is a precaution where it is written that there should be no knot in the strings. So how will it affect if there is a knot after the pulley? Should not affect the system.
The string should be uniformly. The string should be uniform. If a mass notes is representative of mass, so
Sir,
it will affect the readings.
सर लेकिन अगर पुली के बाद है वो स्ट्रिंग जिसमें नॉट लगी हुई है तो फिर और वो स्ट्रिंग तब भी वहाँ होती है अगर वेट उतना लटका होता है तो फिर मास तो उतना ही आएगा टोटल अगर लेंथ सेम है पहले की और नॉट के मिला के लेंथ बाद में तो फिर मास तो उतना ही आएगा.
मास तो सेम रहेगा बेटा, पर जो है ना जो स्ट्रिंग की जो है ना वैल्यू होगी वैल्यू हाँ लेंथ में उसका मास होगा. अगर उसकी नेट नोट होगी तो वो नोट पे मास कंसंट्रेट हो जाएगा. अगर आपका क्वेश्चन ठीक है समझ में आया कि नहीं आया बेटा? या दोबारा से मैं रिपीट करूंगा
सर आगे थोड़ा
हाँ ठीक. नोट्स नहीं होनी चाहिए बेटा. ठीक है, अब वीडियो कॉल कर रहा हूँ मैं बेटा.
सर
जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा. हाँ
सर ये
या हाँ
सॉरी मटेरियल कहाँ मिल सकता है जहाँ से हमें
मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करूंगा बेटा.
थैंक यू.
आई विल प्रोवाइड.
थैंक यू सर.
Sir,
हाँ बता बेटा.
will you demonstrate this experiment on how to draw it on the paper?
How you have to draw? You have to write the experiment on the practical file.
Sir, but we do not know how to draw the polygon.
Yes, sir.
वो अभी बता देगा, अभी पता चलेगा. ठीक है, जस्ट अ मिनट.
ठीक है सर.
हाँ तो वेट करो बेटा. ठीक है, जस्ट अ मिनट, सब पता चलेगा. मुझे तो वीडियो भी दिखाई दे रही है. दुलीचंद जी.
हाँ सर.
ये वीडियो कैसे चलते हैं, कैसे चलाएंगे?
सर वो तो शेयर करने पड़ेगी आपके सिस्टम से.
शेयर करनी पड़ेगी बच्चों के लिए.
हाँ सर, स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो ना.
स्क्रीन शेयर.
सर जो ये आ रहा है ना ऑप्शन आ रहा है वीडियो कॉलिंग का, माइक्रोफोन का, हेडफोन का, या 3 डॉट्स आ रहे हैं. तो 3 डॉट्स पे टैप करो और वहाँ पे शेयर का ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा. और स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो. जो भी आपके सिस्टम में वीडियो होगी, डाटा होगा, सब रन हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो.
हाँ हाँ.
दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा?
सर यस.
फ्रेंड्स.
Yes sir.
It's visible.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Now listen carefully.
Sir, sound is not coming.
Just a minute. हाँ, अनेक क्वेश्चन बताइए. अभी
नहीं
बताइए.
सर, साउंड नहीं आ रही.
साउंड नहीं आ रही बेटा? साउंड तो आनी चाहिए बेटा. मैं तो कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. देखता हूँ मैं दोबारा से. साउंड आ रही है बेटा?
नो सर.
तो ठीक है, वीडियो को ऐसा करो, मैं फाइल में डाल रहा हूँ और तुम देख सकते हो. ठीक है, मैं फाइल्स पे.
ओके.
जस्ट मिनट. मैं इससे भी चल रहा होगा और आप उससे भी वो कर सकते हो. जस्ट मिनट. It's uploading. And also, it's uploading, and also I will share in your WhatsApp group. Students, download it.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
And I'll share it on your WhatsApp group.
Sir, do we have to write the same procedure or do we have to change it?
Now you have to write the same question.
So we have to write the
Also,
whole practical.
I will also share the PDF of this experiment.
Thank you, sir. So we have to just write whatever there is in the PDF. Exactly like that. Okay, sir.
Exactly.
Answer the same diagrams only, na? Which are in the PDF?
Same diagram.
Yes.
But we have to perform graphically also. Perform.
Okay, sir.
जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है उसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल होगी. We have to perform in the graphs. Put in the graphs the observation of the experiment, and I have also shared the EM experimental 1. Just share it. I have just shared it. Students?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
So in the files?
In the files.
Yes, sir.
Also download it. In this PDF, you can also find out other students' practicals in the previous practicals.
So what all do we have to write?
So
what all do we have to write?
This practical in the last.
So this practical in the file.
Practical file.
So but इसके अंदर the objective, theory, everything.
Everything, and you have to do it in this practical also only.
Okay, sir.
So we need to see the video right now, which you have uploaded.
What happened? बताइए बेटा क्या हुआ?
So we need to see the video right now, which you have uploaded in the file segment.
You have to see.
Okay.
You have to see how to perform this practical, and also write down these practicals. It is given to you in the PDF file, and in this PDF file, observation table is also given to you.
So we have to write it in a normal practical file, then we have to convert it into a PDF and send to you.
Maybe.
Okay.
In the last time, I'll tell you, you have to write the safety and precautions. Show me. Now show me. Students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just uploading.
Yes, sir.
Show your face and your practical file only. ओके जस्ट अ मिनट मैं एक नोट बना लेता हूँ
So the safety and precautions we have to
हाँ
show.
हाँ you have to show just a minute
Wait,
मैं
okay.
एक नोट्स बना लेता हूँ
Yes.
नाम के साथ रुक जाओ बेटा just a minute from the first roll number it is Aditya Kumar. Show your practicals now. Aditya Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Show your practicals. You have to and name also in your file. You have to write the name.
Sir, wait a minute.
Just a minute. हाँ Aditya Kumar. Okay. Now Ansuman Garg. Okay. Okay. And also write down this practical also here.
Yes sir.
This practical.
अगली क्लास तक देख लूंगा.
मुझे दिखाना है कैलकुलेट करके मुझे दिखाना है कितनी परसेंटेज एरर आ रही है ग्राफिकली कितनी वैल्यू आ रही है. ठीक है
सर.
हाँ अभी मुझे दिखाना है बेटा इस तरह की फाइल में मुझे दिखाना है. अंशुमान ठीक है बेटा सबको बोल देना ये. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स you have to write this practical.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, but you haven't taught us how to draw it on the paper.
How to draw this practical. Okay, चल मैं बताता हूँ ठीक है बेटा. Let's say this is the, can you see it? This is the force on the table. These are the forces and you have to mark them. Let's say okay, it is F1, F2, F3, F4 and F5. मुझे फिर पूरी टेबल चेंज करनी पड़ेगी बेटा उसके लिए. ठीक है. So these are the forces. These are the forces. Okay. The angle between these two forces F1 and F2 is, let's say it is F2 theta 2. Angle between F3 and F2 is theta 3. Angle between F3 and F4 theta 4. angle between F4 and 5 is 5. Angle between F5 and 1 is theta 1. So these are the angles. These are the angles. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this force F1 has the magnitude of 300 grams, F2 has the magnitude of 400 grams. Magnitude of F3 is also 300 grams. F4 is also 200 grams. It is randomly. I will take the randomly. And the magnitude of F5 is 350 grams. 350 grams. Okay. These are the magnitude of these forces. Can you see it, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the magnitude and the angles between value of theta 2 is 45, theta 3 is 60, 60. Angle of theta 4 is 80 degree, and angle of theta 5 is 60, and magnitude of angle of theta 1 is magnitude of theta 1 is 70 degree, maybe I don't know. It's a random values. It is the random values. Okay, these are the random values. Okay, so to draw the forced polygon, first force is represented by, first of all, we have to choose a scale. We have to choose a scale for the graphs. So we can say that 100 grams is equal to 1 centimeter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100 grams is equal to 1 centimeter. So for the first F1, it will represent 300 grams. The magnitude of F1 force is 300 grams. So it represents 3 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
3 centimeters. So we can say that this length is 300 grams.
Sir,
Sir, actually we cannot see the paper. The virtual background hides it.
I have to change the virtual background. How to change the normal. Okay, now you can see it, students.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
You can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
It is visible.
Yes, sir.
The magnitude is given to you.
Yes, sir.
The angle is also. The angle is also given to you. Okay. Now, first to draw the one side, this which is, it is horizontal. It is horizontal. So we draw a line of 3 centimeter. 3 centimeters. We have to draw this line of 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter. Okay. So this line represents the 300 grams force. So it is represent 300 grams force. Okay. Now F2, for the F2, it says that the tail of the F2 force is lies on the head of F1 force. Okay, so it's this is the F1 and F2. The tail. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
The F2.
Yes, sir.
And the tail of the F2 force lies on the head of the F1 force, and it should have some angles which is given to you 45 degree. It should have 45 degree. So measure it and put the line on 45 degree. On the 45 degree.
Sir?
Sir,
the length of force F2 is 4 centimeter.
If it is 4 centimeter, that means it is
weight is 400 grams.
400 grams.
Sir, how that angle is 45 degrees?
Hello? It is given to you in the observation table. It is given to you in the observation table.
Sir, do we have to make this polygon according to the observations that we have been that are available to us right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It is the random force polygon. इनकी जो वैल्यू है ये रेंडमली मिले, रेंडमली ली बेटा आपको समझाने के लिए एक स्पेशल.
ओके सर, ओके सर.
ये समझ में आया कि जो है ना ये रेंडम वैल्यू है. समझाने के लिए.
हाँ जी सर.
You got it? Now.
So sir, excuse me sir. Yeah, sir. We have to take random values in our lab practical also. I mean, when we will be writing in the practical file, or we have to copy from the PDF as it is.
You have to measure the value in the observation tables. Okay. The observation tables is, I can see you. I can show you. This is the observation table. Look. I'm sharing it.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Can you say it? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the observation tables and the ABCD. ABCD. You have to measure it. Measure it. And the value of A for first experiment, there is repetition of this experiment in 3 types. So 1, 2, 3. So for first experiment, the value of A is 350 grams. Value of B is 400 grams. And C is 350 grams. D is 400 grams. And the angle is also given to you. Theta 1 is 60. Theta 2 is 00. On the tables, we have to calculate the value from the tables. Okay, experimentally. And angle of theta 3 is given to you 70 degree. Angle of theta 4 is 70 degree. And the last force is 400 degree. So theoretical value is 260 degree. Theoretical degree value is 260 degree, and we have to calculate the percentage error.
Sir, theta 2 0 कैसे हो सकता है?
Maybe
it
depends upon your references. It depends on your references.
लेकिन सर 2 पुली एक के ऊपर एक रखनी पड़ेगी, वरना 180 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा या कुछ और एंगल बनेगा।
नहीं, वो जो ना अगर आप if lab में होता तो बेटा we can calculate the value of theta 2 in 00 degree also. This table
I think it's 80 degree sir. तो मिटा हुआ ऊपर से थोड़ा।
No.
Theta 2 is, sir, Mahendra sir, theta is 80 degree.
Sir, 80 degree.
हाँ, yes sir, theta 2
सर वो वहाँ से शायद थोड़ा सा मिटा हुआ है।
सर मिट गया सर थोड़ा।
हाँ, और 80 degree. Okay, 80 degree.
theta 1 is
Got it?
60 degree.
You got it? Now
Yes.
you have to,
Yes, sir.
this is the value of random forces. Now we have to draw third side, which is F3 with some angles, and these are the value of angles. Just a minute. This is the 60 degree angles. Okay, F3, 60 degree, and the magnitude of F3 is 300 grams. It is given to you here. It is given to you. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to take the value here and put a line of the magnitude of this F3 is 300 grams. So we have to put a line of 3 centimeters. We have to put a line of 3 centimeters. Okay. In this way, we can calculate the in this way we can calculate the value of the closing sides also. This closing side is for F5. You got it? Students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
you have any query regarding this, tell me now.
Sir, please explain again the F3 part.
F3 parts. These are the sides of the forced polygon. You know that the F1 is extended, and from the F1 the F2 is between the angle between F2 and F1 is 45 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, F2 extend this F2 and measure the value of F2 of 400 grams. Now, from this F2 extend it and draw a line of 60 degree. Draw a line of 60 degree and
Yes,
mark the value of magnitude of this force 300 grams. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
समझ गए बेटा?
हाँ जी सर.
Now you write it and watch the video. Watch the video and draw the polygon.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी
Right.
सर वो सेफ्टी एंड प्रिकॉशंस कहाँ से लिखने हैं?
वो मैंने दिया था बेटा आपको व्हाट्सएप पे. I send it to you. Maybe.
ओके सर, देख लेता हूँ.
Sir, that is to be written on the first page.
All
Okay,
students should
सर तो इंडेक्स
join
नहीं
this
लिखेंगे उसमें?
WhatsApp group. All students should join the WhatsApp group. You got it?
So do we have to write the experiment right now?
Right now.
Okay, sir.
Now, I'll check your previous experiment. आदित्य कुमार तो हो गया, अंशुमान गर्ग भी हो गया. Now, it's Arun Neat. Show your experiment here. Arun Neat. Turn on your camera and show and write down your name also. Name सही तरीके से दिखाओ बेटा मेरे को.
सर ये पीडीएफ किधर है प्रोजेक्ट की?
पीडीएफ फाइल में होगा. किसी स्टूडेंट से पूछ लो बेटा. Okay, show me your experiment बेटा.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ यार.
Sir, now you will check our safety and precautions or experiment one that we have to do now.
Now I will check the previous experiment was safety and precautions, and also check your experiment which you have done in this lab.
Okay.
Okay, got it beta.
So, but we haven't written the experiment right now.
You have to write it.
So, sir, give us time, little.
You can write.
Okay.
Time दिया मैंने.
Sir, we have to copy from the PDF file.
PDF फाइल में जो
Exactly.
एक्सपेरिमेंट दिया हुआ है. हाँ.
From the student file. In the
हाँ,
PDF there is a
student
student file.
फाइल और PDF फाइल्स में जो
We have to copy exactly.
एग्जैक्ट वो करना है.
Okay, sir.
बट उसके फोर्स्ट पॉलीगन आपको खुद ही बनाना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल में फोर्स पॉलीगन वी हैव टू
सर
या बेटा
मनिंदर सर मैं दुली चंद।
हाँ जी सर। हाँ
सर मैं कह रहा हूँ इनको जो आपने पीडीएफ शेयर की है उसमें ना ये एंगल चेंज कर लेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू मास वेट है ना सर। जो
नहीं 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 वो नहीं होगा वो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है ये एरर वगैरह आ जाएगी इसमें।
अच्छा चलो कोई नहीं ठीक है।
एरर आ जाएगी तो वो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट जो जो रिजल्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन है वो टेबल
हाँ वो नहीं होगा। हाँ
उसी के
वो
हिसाब
नहीं
से
होगा।
एरर आ जाएगी तो वो इक्विलिब्रियम में नहीं रहेगा, इक्विलिब्रियम में नहीं रहेगा वो।
हाँ ठीक है सर।
हाँ यार
So the safety and precautions should be on the first page.
हाँ you have to write the safety and precautions on the first page.
Okay, sir.
And in the subsequent pages you have to write the first experiment.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, Aryaman Anand. Aryaman.
सर एक सेकंड वेट एक सेकंड सर इज इट विजिबल?
Yeah, it is visual and show your name also here.
Here?
No, on the file you have made the name your here. Yeah, write your name also. Yeah, okay, got it. Aryan Sroa. Aryan Sroha. I told you have to write the safety and precautions, and I will check it in this next practical, which is on Thursday. Aryan Sroha. Aryan Sroha, turn on your camera.
Sir, I think he's not there.
Okay, ये absent होगा.
Yes, sir.
Now, Dakshit Chopra.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I had joined today only your class.
ठीक है, but next time पे जो है ना you have to show.
Sir, I will do.
हाँ. But you have to show me this practical also.
Okay, sir.
ये safety and precautions next time पे दिखा. हेमांग भाटिया.
सर
हेमांग भाटिया. हेमांग, turn your camera.
एक मिनट. सर ये लिख रहा हूँ
अभी तक नहीं लिखा ना बेटा. और
सर मैंने वो ग्रुप
सेफ्टी
अभी ज्वाइन करा. हाँ सर ग्रुप अभी ज्वाइन करा.
ठीक है, आप अभी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हमेशा रहना. ठीक है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टाइम पे वो करना. और अभी जो ना जो भी है बेटा अभी प्रैक्टिकल यहाँ पे दिखा देना मेरे को.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. आई विल टेक यू ऑन सेफ्टी एंड प्रिकॉशंस तो नेक्स्ट टाइम पे दिखा देना, पर ये प्रैक्टिकल अभी दिखाना है।
सिर्फ प्रैक्टिकल अभी लिख के दिखाना है पूरा?
हाँ पूरा प्रैक्टिकल।
ओके ओके ओके।
सर आप क्या पीडीएफ टीम्स पे डाल देंगे? मेरा एक्चुअली फ़ोन रिपेयर होने के लिए गया हुआ है तो मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप नहीं है।
टीम में ऑलरेडी दी है, डाला हुआ है मैंने।
ओके सर।
फाइल्स में है।
ओके सर, पता नहीं था, अभी लिख रहा हूँ।
कुशाग्र जैन, कुशाग्र जैन, कुशाग्र जैन, maybe is also absent. कुशाग्र जैन,
Sir, sir, that I got 2.8 centimeter. Like I drawn a polygon. Yeah, and the last, like I got 2.8 centimeter. So how to convert then in mass?
Mass, it is given to you in the scale.
No sir.
जो स्केल दिया हुआ है आपने, जो आप we have to, just a minute. Assume that these figures are at a scale of 100 grams is equal to 1 centimeters. Lakshita?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, then I got
it is not given in the practical file, but assume it is the 100% sure that this figures is drawn in the scale of 100 grams is equal to 1 centimeter.
Sir, then I got then I got
25 diagram. Yeah.
2.8 centimeter.
2.8 centigram. 2.8 centimeter means it is 280 grams.
Okay, sir.
280 grams. Okay.
Yes.
And also calculate the percentage error. कुशाग्र जैन नहीं है। लक्षिता?
Yes, sir.
लक्षिका, okay, sorry बेटा। लक्षिका।
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, visible. Safety and precautions. This is.
Yes.
This is. And your name?
Sir, at the top.
Okay. 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 Laksika Bhagat. Okay, got it. Naman Kataria. Naman Kataria.
Yes,
Just a minute. Show it.
Sir, is it
It is
visible?
not visible to me. Okay. Now, show your names on the file. Name. You also send me on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Got it. WhatsApp ग्रुप में भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. जरूरत नहीं होती. ठीक है. Got it. Now, Nikita Sharma. Nikita. Wait बेटा, आज विजिबल नहीं है. सब ब्रॉडबैंड का कनेक्शन ले लो बेटा.
सर.
Okay, now your name please. Show it beta in on the camera of the laptop. Okay. Parth Bansal.
Yes, sir. Just 1 second.
I got it. And also your name, please.
Is it visible?
Okay, I am visible. Just a minute. Okay. Pragati Mera.
Yes, sir.
So it me.
So 1 second.
Just a minute. Yeah. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
And name also beta. Okay.
Sir.
Just a minute. Batao.
Sir, can we make some changes in the apparatus in the file while writing?
No. Actually, this experiment should be in equilibrium.
No, sir. Not the observation table, the apparatus.
Apparatus means?
Sir, apparatus, objective apparatus.
No, you have to write the top from the PDF.
Okay, sir.
Prajwal Goswami.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, am I visible?
No.
Sir, now?
Just a minute. Yeah, visible. Just a minute.
And sir, here is the name. Here. Sir, name.
Okay. आपका भी लैपटॉप है या मोबाइल से कर रहे हो?
सर लैपटॉप सर.
लैपटॉप की जो है ना
वेबकैम अच्छा नहीं है सर इतना.
सबका ये लैपटॉप की प्रॉब्लम होती है.
हाँ सर, वो वेबकैम जो डिफॉल्ट आता है वो सिर्फ 3 या 4 मेगापिक्सल का होता है यूजुअली.
हाँ. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
यस सर, थैंक यू सर.
रक्षित मलिक.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Just a minute. Okay. And your name also on the file? Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Sagar Wadhwa.
Yes, sir. Sir, my camera is not working. Can I send it on WhatsApp?
You can send it.
Okay, sir, I'm sending.
Excuse me, sir.
सर
ये जो फाइल्स पे अपलोडेड है एक्सपेरिमेंट 10 पेज वही वाला लिखना है ना?
हाँ.
ओके सर.
सर सेफ्टी एंड प्रिकॉशंस भेजू ना व्हाट्सएप पे?
हाँ. I'm checking it.
Sir, I sent it.
Okay. Sagar.
Yes, sir.
On this page, in the middle, you have to write your name and send it now again.
So where we have to write the name?
Where? In the middle. Anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the PDF you have given, there are 2 files. I mean, the same experiment, 2 files. I am copying from the lower one, which is written by the student. Is it okay?
जो लास्ट वाली है वो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए होती है. वो ऊपर वाले सेम टू सेम है.
Okay, yes, sir. I am copying from that.
वो मैनुअल की है बेटा. It is the manual of the
above file.
experiment.
Yeah, okay, sir.
And you have to write the experiment of some students from your previous year.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have sent it again.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Now, Sarang Gupta.
यस सर सर मैं व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर रहा हूँ मेरे ख्याल से कैमरा में कोई प्रॉब्लम
What is the problem?
सर कैमरा में प्रॉब्लम है
Also, you can send me on the WhatsApp group.
यस सर सेंडिंग
And write your name also on the safety precautions.
कर दिया सर
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yeah.
सर जो हमें ये प्रैक्टिकल फाइल में ऑब्जर्वेशंस दे रखी हैं वही वाली सेम ऑब्जर्वेशन नोट करनी है और उसके बेस पे पॉलीगन बनाना है ना?
हाँ, same to same, no
और
change.
उसके बेस पे फिर पॉलीगन बनाना है.
हाँ यार.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
Same to same. Because this observation is for a equilibrium observations. That means there is no resultant forces.
सर तो जो ऑब्जर्व्ड वाली लाइन है बस हमने वो अपना फिगर बना के वो कैलकुलेट करके परसेंटेज एरर देखना है.
हाँ.
ओके सर, ओके.
इस तरह के सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट ऐसे चलेंगे बेटा. लैब में भी आज आपको यही काम होता था कि जना आप ऑब्जर्वेशन करते थे, अब कैलकुलेशन करते थे, बस यही था. अगर रियलिटी में होते हैं तो वो ऑब्जर्वेशन करते हो आप और बाकी कैलकुलेशन करते थे और पॉलीगॉन वगैरह ड्रॉ करते थे. Sarang Gupta.
हाँ जी सर
Have you sent it to me?
यस सर सेंड कर दिया नेम और सेफ्टी एंड प्रिकॉशंस वाला
सेंड कर दी बेटा.
यस ग्रुप पे आ गया.
ओके. Sarang Gupta.
हाँ जी सर
You have to put your name on the safety and analysis precautions. ओके
पेज पर सर
हाँ लिखो और फिर मैं उसको दोबारा से सेंड करूँगा।
Sir, we can also write from the handwritten one given below.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sarang Gupta, got it.
ओके सर थैंक यू।
Sarthak Gupta.
Sir, 1 minute.
Just a minute. मुझे भी थोड़ा टाइम लगा. Okay. And your name? Okay, okay. Okay, बेटा. शांतनु राज चौधरी. शांतनु राज चौधरी.
Sir, I've shared it on WhatsApp, bro. My webcam is not working.
Okay. And write your name also on the safety and precautions.
Sir, it's written.
Okay, got it. शांतनु जी. सुधांशु.
सर व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर रहा हूँ सर।
ओके बेटा। Share it.
एक मिनट सर।
हो गया सर.
Your webcam is also not working.
No sir.
Okay, got it. Yuvraj.
Yes, sir. Wait a second. So is it visible?
Yeah, visual.
So this is the safety and precautions, and this is the name.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any question regarding this experiment?
सर सर अगर हमें सेम ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखनी है तो परसेंटेज एरर भी सेम ही रहेगा ना जो इस फाइल में है.
Yeah. But you have to measure it from your polygon also. Theoretical value, you have to measure it, the value of F5.
Yes, sir.
You have to measure it from the polygon. It will not same maybe. कुछ तो एरर होती है, जितने भी पॉलीगन में होगी कुछ एरर होती है बेटा, कुछ. And you have to measure it from the polygon. You got it, Ansuman?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि कितने जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं उनकी एरर अलग अलग होगी, रैंडम एरर्स होती है वो. आफ्टर दिस प्रैक्टिकल क्या हुआ आपका इसके बाद? इसके बाद कौन सा प्रैक्टिकल हो, क्या है, लेक्चर्स है या क्या है?
Theory, sir. Theory of engineering mechanics, I guess.
Mechanics.